In this video, I'll be showing you how to set alarm on Samsung phone. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally any Android or Samsung that you have. So let's say you want to set an alarm for yourself. All you got to do is locate your clock application. Now, even if I long press on it, it's going to say add alarm. But if you can't see your clock application, maybe it's not on your home screen, what you can do is swipe up on your screen. It's going to show all your apps. And then if you still can't find it, go ahead and type in clock and then just go over to it. Now I have my alarms and everything like that, but the alarms are going to be the first tab anyway. So what I can do here is on the top right, press the little plus icon, and then I can set an alarm for whenever I want. And then I can set the days as well. I can set multiple days, like I can, every day it just runs at that time if I wanted to. And then I can choose the alarm sound, the vibration, if I want it on or off, and if I want it to snooze as well. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.